Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we're diving into what can only be described as the best synergy wipe available, the Organic Nails Synergy Wipe. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about what makes this synergy wipe stand out from the rest. With a 4.7-star rating from over 493 satisfied customers, it's clear that this product is making waves in the health and household industry. Now, let's break down some key features. The Synergy Wipe comes in a convenient 120 ml bottle, making it perfect for both personal and professional use. And with its organic formulation, you can rest assured that you're using a product that's not only effective but also eco-friendly. Speaking of effectiveness, let me tell you, this wipe gets the job done. Whether you're removing nail polish, cleaning surfaces, or prepping for a manicure, the Organic Nails Synergy Wipe has got you covered. Now, you might be wondering, what sets this Synergy Wipe apart from others on the market? Well, let me break it down for you. Unlike some other wipes that leave behind a sticky residue or strong chemical odor, this one leaves your hands and surfaces feeling fresh and clean. High praise indeed. Now, let's address a common concern: the price. At $1,750 for a 120 ml bottle, some might balk at the cost. But let me tell you, when it comes to quality and effectiveness, this Synergy Wipe is worth every penny. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some of the versatile uses of the Synergy Wipe. From removing gel polish to cleaning household surfaces, its uses are practically endless. Plus, with its compact size, you can take it with you wherever you go. And there you have it, folks. The Organic Nails Synergy Wipe, the best synergy wipe on the market. If you're looking for a product that delivers on its promises and then some, look no further. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the products you love.